我们是继续借，然后呢 the opposite of this borrow 借 is return 还和还 pronunciation is 还和还还。Now please take a look at this character. We have 不 on the right part, and then this walking radical 还 means return 的意思return 还。好的，借书 borrow 还书 return the book 好 your turn please return this book by tomorrow.
By tomorrow,
this
so could
one
I start with
let
the
me this one I put it here 到明天到明天 means till tomorrow 到明天
行到明天还书。
对的，到明天还书还书。Now we use 把 structure practice 还书please return this book to the library.
行把书还给OK 书还给图书馆。
That's it 图书馆请把书还给图书馆 Please return 好请把书还给图书馆 Please return the money to my friends.
请把还给 no money first 请把钱还给我的朋友。
请把钱还给我的朋友。
Is it 朋友了 or no 了
？No need 请把钱还给我的朋友。Please return money to my friend 请把钱还给我的朋友，还给我的朋友。请把钱还给我的朋友。Please return. This one is a new dictionary 词典。Please return dictionary to the book room 请把
OK 请把词典还给还给and it was sorry where did I
book room
图书室
图书室请把词典还给图书室词典好的your turn your turn write this 借 and 还character
借 so
correct yeah 还 is
one okay so the one so this verse
indeed 还 let's take a look 还 we write this 不 first 不
okay start from the book
yeah
so the book and the book
yeah
is this all one stroke
this one is one and then the rest of them are one stroke yes
okay it's like that
yeah
so then ding
yeah Yes, yes, this one, this one. Yes, this is one stroke 啊。好，借 borrow 还 return 啊，借书还书。And from this lesson, indeed, we have another character is this 点啊，点 we write this way 啊，点 means law 啊，字典 means the word law, the dictionary. We write this way. Your turn. You try. 点啊。
I'll try.
Yeah.
So you start.
From left.
You just did it. You start here.
Yes. And then
Yeah.
this one.
Okay. So ding.
Yes.
And
then we start. Yes, you can. Yeah. Left. Good 啊，点啊，点 means law啊 norm. You can. 词典是 the law of the words 啊，词典 diction 词典。好的 ，this lesson we stop here. 行，今天是星期五，那我们的星期一的时候，我和阿达再继续这里，我们再继续，星期一见，阿达。
谢谢。谢谢你。
不客气，再见，阿达。
再见。